There's millions of ways of doing Mexican food, and we're just a little branch of it.
Mexican food equals heart, passion, technique, time. It's a time that we have put into it. It's a culture that it becomes from many years that has passed to one person to the other, to their grandma, to the other grandma.
Rene and myself are cousins. We believe we're more like brothers.
We born in a border town, Nogales and Nogales, Arizona. So both cities were just like minutes to cross. We understand both sides of the map in a certain way. Our shrimp chile, we cure our shrimp with garlic and lime juice. But where we're from in Sonora is the chiltepin. It's like our special thing in the restaurant, the chiltepin pepper. Depends the time that you pick it, it's a different flavor. Tomatillo, aguachile, red onion, cucumbers, cilantro, and just sea salt right on top.
A lot of people don't understand how rich Arizona is when it comes to local vegetables, local proteins, local chilies. So if people can understand that and learn a little bit of our flavors and profiles, our job is done. We're gonna be doing trout. We're gonna grill it, braised pork belly, chichito peppers. We're gonna have seasonal vegetables, and then we're gonna serve it with a mezcal butter sauce or beurre blanc, and then we're gonna garnish it with a pickle romanesco and pickled red onions.
In a certain way, we're not trying to reinvent the wheel. We just want to keep it rolling.
If you stick to what you have around you and what your own land is giving you, you can do amazing things, and that's 100% what we do.